Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. For developers and testers working with iOS 16 and above, enabling developer mode is a crucial step for running internal distribution builds and local development builds directly on an iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. Firstly, trigger the developer mode alert. After installing the build on a device, tap the app icon. An alert will pop up prompting you to enable developer mode and click OK to proceed. Now, open the Settings app on your iOS device and navigate to Privacy and Security option available there. Inside Privacy and Security, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Developer Mode option available there. Now, switch on the Developer Mode toggle and iOS will prompt you to restart your device for the changes to take effect and tap Restart to initiate the reboot. Now, once your device restarts and you unlock it, a system alert will appear and simply click turn on and enter your device's passcode when prompted to complete the activation of developer mode. With developer mode now active, you can fully engage with your internal distribution builds and local development builds. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.